When I left my corporate job, I realized how many experiences and qualifications I'd acquired that were helpful to my next move. What skills were transferable for my new role and how my skills combined themselves to create a unique selling proposition. A proposition that would differentiate me from someone else doing the same thing. Experiences and stories that were unique to me. To hone your unique selling proposition, you need to create an inventory of your skills from past roles and think about what new skills you'll need for your new role. Now, you might not know all of these just yet, but this skills inventory is a working list that you'll be constantly coming back to because we're all evolving, growing, and learning. If you're struggling filling in your inventory, here are 2 exercises to help. First, ask people close to you, colleagues, clients, family, and friends, what skills they appreciate from you and why those skills are helpful to them. The answers may surprise you. Often, we don't see what other people see. Second, you can do a psychometric assessment which assesses your skills and natural talents. These assessments can highlight what areas drive your abilities and what skills might be worth further developing. I find Gallup's strengths test a good one. Both of these exercises provide you with information on how to succeed in your reinvention journey. Reinvention isn't about getting rid of everything you already have. It's about strategically building off what you've already done. We're often sitting on a much bigger treasure chest than we realize.